Milwaukee goes full-blown USA in hand tools, and they expand their lawn care side.
We need to focus on a couple different things. One, people and culture.
Yes, we just returned from another Milwaukee Pipeline event for 2022. If you don't know what Pipeline is, it's basically where Milwaukee brings us up and shows us all the new tools that they're coming out with in the near future. Some of them they've already released. This time was a bit different because we got to tour a brand new manufacturing facility that Milwaukee built right in Wisconsin. So they're going to be manufacturing hand tools. They're already manufacturing hand tools from start to finish, including sourcing the steel right here in the USA as well. We're also going to see the expansion of their OPE side, which is the outdoor power equipment or lawn care stuff. So let's just go ahead and get started.
This will scour in between the cracks of concrete in those expansions, so it cleans amazingly well. And what you see here is really just the start of our attachment system. We're continuing to invest in this.
So this is the rubber broom attachment for the quick lock system. Great for soft surfaces, for water as well as debris. And now for the hard surfaces, we've got the bristle brush, which is going to take care of all that stuff we just threw on the hard surface. This is the brand new 2824 dual 18-volt Milwaukee blower. Now this is 600 CFM and 145 miles per hour. You have two different attachments here. You can have the neck down version. We also have a wide blade version that fits on here as well. So depending on what type of airflow you want, what type of product you're actually moving, whether you're moving leaves, grass, heavier material, you can change that out. We also have a very easy to read battery level. We don't have to go to the batteries to read that. We can see that right there just to pull the trigger. And then on the cruise control here, it sets the floor speed. So in other words, I can set it low, and then if I want to go into high, I can pull the trigger, and then once I let off that trigger, it's back down to the floor. Also, we're talking 64 decibels. That's all it is. So there's a ton of technology going right here into silencing that whole cold effect of that air coming in and air going out. And then we also have kind of a secondary handle here, which is going overhead with that. Very easy to hold that to be able to blow out, whether it be things on, a ceiling or outdoor patio, whatever it may be. One of the great benefits of the Milwaukee is the throttle response on the trigger, less than 1 second to get up to full speed. And we're talking about only 64 decibels as well on this 36-volt blower. This is the M18 8-inch pruning saw, and it's the model number 3004. Runs obviously on the 18-volt M18 battery. So we're going to make a couple of cuts here. That's impressive. That I'm literally putting a good amount of pressure on this. I love the metal spikes there. So 5 meters per second chain speed. And again, I'm putting a decent sized bite and a good amount of pressure on that blade. And you can see by the chip size that it's actually doing some great cutting, and it's not just kind of making sawdust. Great saw. This is the Milwaukee 2826, and it's the M18 Fuel, top-handled 14-inch. Basically, top-handle saw or arborist saw. This is what you'd see arborists climbing trees and topping trees out with. And you'll see the lanyard hook, how straight this saw hangs. It's not hanging at an angle. It's not, the blade's not hanging in. It's not hanging out. And that's a great center point for hanging to make sure on your lanyard that, again, it's not getting in your way as you're climbing, and then also as you access the tool. And it being battery powered is an excellent choice because now I'm not sitting in a tree actually cranking this saw. 15 meters per second chain speed. So let's see how well it works. All I have to do, take off the chain brake and depress the safety, and now it's pull the trigger and go. Very impressive. This is the model 2534, and it's the M12 brushless pruning shear. It has an 1.25 inch cut capacity, but you've kind of got a half mode as well, to where if you go into that mode and you pull the trigger, you see it returns only about halfway back, so you have less of an opening. So if you're doing smaller twigs, you can continue to do that, and then as you need to, you can go into the full mode, pull the trigger, and you're going to get that full 1.25 inch cut capacity. So very quick in pruning.
Oh, I see.
New screwdrivers from Milwaukee, all made in the USA. Even steel caps on the ends. Made in the USA, steel is sourced in the USA, all manufactured here. Laser etching on the tips provide excellent force for gripping power on the faster. These will be all available in January of 2023. These are the new pliers from Milwaukee, 100% made in the USA, even USA sourced steel in this as well. And you can get them in the dipped handles, as well as the comfort grip in the long nose or needle nose, as well as the lineman's pliers. And these things have some excellent cutting force, whether it's solid copper for cutting or even stranded. Look for these in January. And just like the pliers, we have the wire cutters that they have in 6, 7, and 8 inch in both dipped handles as well as the comfort grip handles. Again, all made in the USA, even USA sourced steel. Very nice feeling pliers, very smooth right out of the box. No stiffness there whatsoever.
Now let me also mention a couple of tools that we didn't actually put our hands on. They were there, but we didn't get a chance to actually play with them while at the show. Now this brush cutter attachment includes a 9-inch blade that's a 4-tooth design and is able to cut up to 1.25 inches thick. Now this is already available and the attachment is $149. And finally, we got to see their whole new manufacturing facility right there in Wisconsin. Now, we watched everything from literally the slugs of steel going in and getting melted in a few seconds, or at least getting red hot within a few seconds, and then going into the power hammer, getting sheared. The whole process of making some lineman's pliers, as well as some side cutters, and then even screwdrivers. So we're really excited to see that Milwaukee's investing right here in the USA, not only employees here in the USA and not just building stuff here in the USA, but actually sourcing the steel here in the USA, as well as doing all the manufacturing start to finish right there in the plant, and that's going to expand from there. They actually built the plant, they said, for one of the walls to get blown out, which they fully expect to do within the next year, and add to all their manufacturing equipment, doubling and tripling that in a short time. This whole new line of made in the USA hand tools, the screwdrivers, pliers, cutters, and more, will be available in January of 2023. Various prices on that. Obviously, you can get them in different size kits, as well as you can get different size tools. But look for those. We'll definitely be bringing those as they start to release them. That's a wrap from Milwaukee Pipeline Event 2022, or at least for this pipeline event for 2022. We'll be sure to bring you more information on all these tools as we get them in our hands. So keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and even TikTok. And if you don't mind, would you hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already? And by all means, if you hated our video, then give us a thumbs down. But would you let us know in the comments why? Have a great day and keep smiling.